Have you ever wanted your AI avatar to actually move like mine does in my videos? Let me show you how you can turn any photo into a stunning animation in seconds. I've had so many of you ask me, hey, how do you animate your photo like that? Or can you make mine talk too? And I totally get it. You've got an amazing AI character, but it just sits there, frozen. So I decided to launch a brand new service where I'll animate your photo or AI avatar for you, just like the ones I use on my channel. Whether you run a faceless YouTube channel, create AI influencers, or just want something unique for your TikTok or Instagram, this service transforms your still image into a lifelike video clip, perfect for intros, reactions, or storytelling. You can choose between a 5-second or 10-second video, and even pick the motion style, talking, smiling, presenting, whatever fits your vibe. This isn't just a filter. I combine powerful AI tools with manual editing to make sure your animation looks smooth, realistic, and full of personality. Let me tell you, I mix the power of AI with the human touch, blending smart technology and careful editing to make your photo move naturally and look amazing. Every detail is crafted with care for a truly personal result. So if you want to animate your AI avatar for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, this is for you. Perfect for creators who want to stay faceless but still connect with their audience. Click the link below to get started and bring your photo to life today. Your avatar, animated, your style, your story.